Huckleberry Railroad is rolling along, running on the crossroad line. Listen for the whistle and the ring of the bell. Huckleberry is coming on time. Iron and steel from a long time ago, I can hear the whistle blow. Well, the Huckleberry Railroad is rolling along, running on the crossroad line. Running on the crossroad line.
Something no better?
Listen for the pounding of the engine as it goes. Listen for the rush from the steam. The chugging log starts slowly, then the